Welcome to qnawire.
In this question, we have a ballistic pendulum situation. So initially, we have a pendulum, and then we have a bullet, and then with initial speed v0, and then it hits the pendulum, and then after that, um, they embed together, and then they with a final speed v, and then after that they move up uh, by 12 cm. Okay, so we want to find out the initial speed of the um, bullet. Okay, so to do this question, we need to use two conservation laws. First is the conservation of energy. Okay, this we use conservation of energy for the for the situation that is after the collision. So the system that we are dealing with is the pendulum plus Earth. Okay, so we have Ki plus Ui equals to Kf plus Uf. Okay, so Ki is half mv squared, Ui is 0, and Kf is 0, Uf is big M Gh. Okay, where H is 12 cm. Okay, so the M cancels. Okay, so V is square root of 2gh. Okay, you put in the numbers. Okay, you calculate that the speed after the collision is 1.53 meters per second. Okay, then be using conservation of momentum for the collision between the bullet and the pendulum. Okay, so we have mb v0 is equal to mb plus the pendulum mp times v. Okay, so the mass of the bullet is 10 grams, so it's 0.01 kg. And then when you add up the two objects, the bullet plus the pendulum, get 2.01 kg, and then the V is 1.53. Okay, so you can calculate V0 from here. And this is 308 meters per second. Okay, so this is the answer, this is the speed of the bullet, and that's all for this question.